Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake Japanese milk bread. Let's get started. I will make the starter first. Heat up some water at medium heat. Add some bread flour and mix them well. When the temperature is above 50 degrees, the texture begins to thicken. Keep stirring and turn up the heat until the temperature reaches 65 Celsius. I will mix all the dry ingredients first. Add some bread flour in a stand mixer. Dry yeast. Sugar. Dry milk. I will also mix all the wet ingredients. Whole milk. Double cream. 2 beaten eggs. Then gradually mix with the dry ingredients. Add the starter and turn on the machine at low speed. Some salt. Add the softened unsalted butter in 3 times. The dough is wet and sticky at the beginning. After 40 minutes, the dough is smooth and strong. Turn off the machine. Keep it in a warm place until the size is doubled. After 2 hours, the dough is ready. Equally divided into 6 portions. Degas and shape it into a ball. Cover them with greased cling film. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Roll out the dough. Then roll it tightly. Then roll out again. Then shape it into a little ball. My recipe is enough to make 2 loaves. Transfer 3 bread dough into each baking tin. Then let them rest until the size is doubled. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. 1 loaf will be baked with the lid. This is how I prepare to bake another loaf. Brush some milk. Then sprinkle with all-purpose flour. Bake these 2 loaves for 30 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the bread. Remove the bread from the baking tin and let them cool down. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, these 2 Japanese milk loaves cost me less than $5. The texture is soft and silky. I'm going to enjoy my Japanese milk bread with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.